Oversized cotton rope basket that had a little bit of texture and holds 7 blankets, 14 high, and I'm measuring about 23 long on the inside. I'm super pleased with the construction. The stitching looks great. It seems really durable. I'm really yanking on it there, and that rope stitching. Love the texture of it. Love that it does have the 3 colors, a little bit of variegation when you look up close, but overall it's nice and thick. You can see here it does have a lot of give to accommodate a number of things, but it's super soft to the touch. I flat packed about 4 inches thick, so you do have to unfold it to bring it to its full width. 3 options to remove the creases: stuff it with blankets, 2 steam it, or 3 just give it overnight and it'll return to its original shape. There is an email that you can reach out to. You do want to put it to its maximum capacity to fill it out. You can't put it in the washing machine, but you can spot clean it with gentle detergent, and don't leave it outside. Before I had this one, I've had it for 15 years. It just didn't quite hold all the blankets we needed for our space, so this larger capacity matches our coloring a little bit better and holds everything we need. Overall, working great in our space. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. Hope this helps.